I wanted to just go over the flip and fold method. So I've cut my blocks right here, and I'm just going to draw a line right down the center. And this is one of those where you sew on the line.
Okay.
The best thing to do is just to remember, if you lay this on your corner right here, when you go to your machine, which I'm gonna hand this off, just go to a titch.
Titch.
Titch means, so the official definition of titch is 1 to 2 threads above the line. If you go to the inside of your block, then it seems like it's a little bit short.
Okay.
Cheri, it's perfect.
There we go.
Okay, and you wanna know how I know it's perfect? Because if you bring it over to this other side and just trim that little edge off of both sides, because then you have that perfect square.